So fear is nothing, it's just a signal, your brain saying that what if I mess up. So in this video I will show you that how you can overcome from this. They listen, they copy, they repeat. So you can do the same thing. So hello guys, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum here as always. So now in these days English is like a biggest weapon. So if you want to make your weapon more powerful, then you should learn how to speak in English. Believe me, this video is only for you. This video is gonna more powerful and amazing for you guys. Just copy me. By copying me, you can become a fluent speaker. So hello and welcome guys. Are you scared to speak in English in front of the people? Do you feel that you know words, but when you will try to speak in front of the people, your mouth freezes? Then wait, you are not alone. In just 5 minutes, just give me 5 minutes. In 5 minutes I will let you know that how you can become a fluent speaker and how you can overcome to speak in English in front of the fear, how you can overcome from your fear. So before that, please do subscribe this channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos. I will let you know step by step. So first point is, what is fear? So fear is nothing, it's just a signal, your brain saying that what if I mess up. So in this video I will show you that how you can overcome from this. Believe me, your fear will disappear whenever you try to speak in English and whenever you begins. Actually the thing is, you are not afraid of English, you are afraid of about the judgment, that you always think that what people say about you if you will mess up. So okay, let's fix it. But please again do subscribe this channel, like the video, comment on the videos. And point number 2 is, English is not a subject. English is actually a language. It's not a subject like mathematics, science, etc, etc. It's actually similar as our mother tongue. You know that your mother tongue, you never learned it by just memorizing it. You learned it by using it. So similarly, you just need to use it, not to memorize it, to learn spoken English. Even native speaker mess up. Do you know that you don't need to learn advanced English grammar to speak in English? Even native speaker, what they do, they always use casual words like let me, gonna, gotcha, etc, etc in their spoken English when they speak in front of the people. So fluency is not about being perfect, is all about being understood. Next point is power of thinking. Don't translate in English from your mother tongue. Ask your brain to stay in English, and think in English. All of those what all you want to translate from your mother tongue to English. For example, I am drinking water. Don't translate from your mother tongue to it in English. Directly think it in English that I am drinking water. And next point is the baby method. And what is the baby method? Just imagine, how do the babies learn to speak? They listen, they copy, they repeat. So you can do the same thing. I promise it will work 100%. And our next point is mirror speaking. Now what is mirror speaking? Just stand in front of a mirror and look into your eyes and start speaking. Speak as you are speaking with someone else, not with you. Try to correct your expression, your voice, your body language, etc, etc, etc. It will build like a magic, 100%, believe me. So before the next point, please do subscribe the channel, comment the videos and share these videos, like these videos again. Next point is, be consistent. Speaking English once in a week would not help you, but 5 to 10 minutes daily can help you to grow more. So you should be more consistent to speak in English. Speak clearly and confidently. Don't mumble, don't whisper. Speak with power even if it's wrong, because clear sounds create confidence. It shows confidence also, and confidence makes others to listen. So believe me, by copying these few rules you can become a fluent speaker. So if you follow these tips, your fear will fade away day by day, 100%. Remember, you don't need to be a perfect speaker, you just need a start. So hurry up, start from today. So if you enjoyed and find this video more helpful, then please do subscribe this channel, like these videos and comment on these videos. So meet you soon on my next videos. Thanks for watching.